Good morning, everyone. This is your Wednesday, November 20th morning wake-up call. Let's get right into it. So just looking at these overnight markets, everything a little bit lower for the grains. We have December corn down 1 cent, March down 1.5 cents. We have January beans down 7.5 cents, March down 7.25. Chicago wheat down about 3 cents. KC wheat, same thing. And then bean meal, bean oil, both a little bit lower. Bean oil notably down about 70 cents here right now. So things are backing off a little bit after continued strength from yesterday. Well, I should say Monday into yesterday. We've been seeing a lot of buying here. What looks like from the funds, it's hard to say, but it looks like a surge of big buying minutes, especially in corn coming from the last couple of days. But overall, things have been just kind of back and forth, especially for beans that are kind of just stuck in this range that we've been seeing here, what seems like over the last few weeks. So I think with things a little bit lower here today, you might see things take a slight step back. Maybe December corn goes down a few more cents. So just something to keep an eye on, but nothing to be too concerned about, I think, in the long term. So just switching over to the livestock, been a very interesting market to watch here over the last few weeks with box beef at very concerning levels. I think you're seeing a lot of speculators come into this market, especially for the feeders. Feeders up almost 250 yesterday, finished up 242.5. But a lot of speculators, I think, coming into this market. Also, cattle on feed coming out on Friday. So I think what you might be seeing is some pre-buying of that report since placements are expected to be a little bit lower. So just something to keep an eye on there. If we don't have protection on in this market, it might be a good idea to look at the deferred months, especially for feeders. If you are raising cattle, might be a good idea to be looking at buying puts or just selling futures or anything like that out into April or May or whatever it may be. So just something to keep an eye on there. Hogs finished down about 50 cents yesterday. So this market has really been taking it to the chin here over the last few weeks. I think there can be a little bit of strength as we go into the end of the year, but I wouldn't be surprised if this market is just kind of grinding a little bit lower as we go over the next 6 weeks. There might be a slight holiday bump, but again, I don't think it'll be anything too crazy to watch. So if anybody has any questions, concerns, ideas, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My number is 815-578-6173. This is Teddy Tarvis with Allendale Incorporated, giving you your Wednesday, November 20th morning wake-up call. Thank you, everyone.